Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable Brave VPN on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your Brave applications over here. And now if you want to activate or if you want to enable it for the VPN, just tap on this three dots icon at the bottom. Simply, you can find here the VPN options. Just tap on it over here. And yeah, as you can see, we just have to make a plan first if you want to activate for the VPN on our phone. It will be a monthly or a yearly. And yeah, here at the bottom, you can also use for the 7 days of free trials. Here I'm gonna tap on this one. I'm gonna use for the trials first, and after tap on this subscribes. Now you just have to enter it for your Apple account password. Now go ahead to this sign in button, and yeah, we have to wait for a second and it will be looking like this. Now tap on OK guys. Here I'm gonna tap on this install VPN profile. Now just enter your iPhone passcode, yeah guys. So yeah, for the VPN is already enabled right now. And yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.